Hey everyone, my name is Kyle. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a lovely day. Thank you much for stopping by. So this video is going to be super exciting. I'm going to be sharing a really wonderful idea with you. Have you ever wondered if your special person likes you as much as you like them? Well, the good news is that they most likely do, and maybe even more. How does that make you feel? It should fill your heart with happiness and joy. You see, if you believe in this idea and really feel it in your heart, it can come true. Your special person can become just as eager to be with you as you are to be with them. Imagine the happiness and the wonderful moments you'll share together. If you ever find yourself thinking that your special person isn't interested in you or that they're really hard to get, then you've come to the right place and this video is definitely for you. It is time to change your perspective and understand that soon they might be the ones pursuing you. Before we dive further into this video, I want to share with you that enrollment is still open on my brand new course called 5 Days to Attracting Love of Your Life. So if you're really interested in joining this incredible journey and learning more about how to make your special person want to be with you, just click the link down below. You won't want to miss this wonderful opportunity. Here's something to remember. You have control over your world. This world is yours and everyone around you is like just a little mini messenger showing you what's happening based on what you think, feel, and really believe in your heart. So whatever you believe about your specific person, they will likely feel and show the same. Now, you might be wondering how to believe in something that you can't see in real life yet. The key is to keep thinking about it and feeling it in your heart. A belief is just a thought you keep thinking. And on this channel, we often talk about creating positive, joyful thoughts that make you feel happiness and joy. It's all about believing in something before it actually happens. And I want to share with you a little story about my own life. And so when I first started this channel, I was maybe posting my videos to a few subscribers and very few people really watching my videos. But I pretended as if thousands of people were watching my videos. I believe so strongly in my heart that it actually came true. You can do the same when it comes to your special person. If you start thinking loving thoughts about them and truly believe that they have strong feelings for you, it will eventually become a reality. Even if the world around you doesn't seem to reflect it, your beliefs will make it real. So here's a really fun exercise I want you to try right now. Is that every time you think about your special person, I want you to say the following affirmations to yourself. They like me a lot. They're constantly thinking about me. It feels great to be wanted by them. Try to imagine the wonderful feelings these thoughts bring to you. The more you practice these positive thoughts, the more you'll come to believe them, and in time, your specific person will want to be with you just as much as you want to be with them. It is time to take control of your thoughts and feelings and say, I won't let anything change my mind. The real world can be quite tricky and may try to convince you otherwise, but don't let it stop you. You have the power to create the reality you want, so keep thinking positive thoughts and really believing in yourself. Believe it, feel it, and watch as your special person becomes as eager to be with you as you are to be with them. They might even start chasing after you. Soon, you'll be living the life you always dreamt of with your special person. Thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. If you have any questions to me about law of attraction or manifestation, just leave it in the comment section down below and hopefully I'll get to you very shortly. And also follow me on my social medias, my Facebook, my Instagram, my TikTok. I post other content over there. And we can just connect even further on those other social media platforms. I'd love to see you over there. And I'll see everyone in the next video. Bye!